Well, the rebuild's just about finished. I've got almost all of the mechanical stuff back together. Got some nice little button head ones so that it clears, because this was hitting here, so I had to put some button head ones here. Got my little spacer in there, which was some little 1/2 mil sheet, and had to make a different bit of wood to space that out, but that was no biggie. And I had a little bit of a gap here that I didn't like, so I just whacked some washers under there. I couldn't be bothered making another spacer plate, but otherwise all back together. Next job is putting on the cable carriers. I've got one mount for one end already on, a little bit of angle for the other side, for the other end, and I'll do the same on that end there for a support plate, and another one for the Y axis. But it all worked out pretty good. And then I've got to figure out what I'm going to do for a new bed, whether I'm going to stay with the one that I had or buy some T-slot. Probably going to buy some T-slot, but it's expensive. I might go half and half, like a piece of T-slot and then a piece of wood, and a piece of T-slot, piece of wood. But no serious issues so far, putting it all back together. I'm going to have to do something different eventually with side plates, make them all out of one piece or something. Try and stiffen it up a little bit further. And I'll have to go for supported rails at some point, because these still have a bit of flex, even though there's hardly any weight left on it now compared to what it was when it was steel. There's still a bit of deflection when it gets to the middle. It's only about half a mil or so now, but I'd still like it to be less. But all in all, pretty big improvement so far. And next job, sorting this mess out. I've got a new box and I've got new controllers, new power supply, basically a whole new box. And I'll shit can this one, throw it in the bin, and that'll all happen in the next week or two. And it should be back to working again. Very exciting.